Hello friends, welcome back to the new series of the React Redux Toolkit. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So in this series, we are going to learn about the React Redux Toolkit. So first of all, we have to learn what is React Redux. Okay, so then what is Redux? Then we come to know about the why there is a need of the React Redux Toolkit. Okay, so let's in this first tutorial we are going to discuss about the what is Redux. Redux is really a single store containing the global state, dispatching plain object actions to the store when something happens in the app. Pure reducer functions looking at those actions and returning immutable updated state. Okay, so Redux is basically a single store containing the global state, dispatching plain object actions to the store when something happen in the app, pure reducer functions looking at those actions and returning the immutably updated state. So what does the Redux core do? So Redux core is a very small, deliberately unopinionated library. It provides a few small API primitives, create store to the actual create Redux store, combine reducers to combine the multiple slices reducers into a single larger reducers. Those who know the Redux, then definitely they can understand what is create store. Combine reducers, apply middleware to combine the multiple middleware into a store enhancer. Compose to combine multiple store enhancers into a single store enhancer. On the other hand, all other Redux related logic in your app has to be written entirely by you in your reducers, in your actions. Okay. The good news is that this means that Redux can be used in many different ways. The bad news is that there are no helpers to make any of your code easier to write. For example, a reducer function is just a function. Prior to the Redux toolkit, you had typically write the reducer with the switch statement and manual updates this way. So here first we create the actions like add to do toggled. Okay, then we have to create the reducers on the same note. Okay, then we have the functions like with the switch statements. Okay, so you can see that lot of code we have to write in the Redux. None of this code specifically depends on any API from the Redux code library, but this is a lot of code to write. Immutable updates required a lot of handwritten object spreads and array operations, and it was very easy to make mistakes accidentally and mutate the state in the process. Always the cause of the Redux bugs. It was also common, though not strictly required, to spread the code for one feature across multiple files like actions, to-dos, constant to-dos, and reducers to-dos. Okay. So additionally, the store setup usually required a series of steps to add commonly used middlewares like thunks, enable Redux DevTools, extension support. Even these are standard tools used in the almost every Redux app. Okay, so this is basically the what is Redux basically. So we have the actions, we have the reducers. Okay, so we have to separate the files and we have to add, then we have to in a single store we have to combine reducers, apply thunk middleware. So this kind of things are there in the Redux. Okay, which makes it complex to write the logics also. Okay, so this is the basic part of the Redux, what exactly the Redux is. In the next video we are going to learn about the what is the Redux toolkit. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.